Welcome to Devon headquarters, where we're here to set a few facts straight about coronavirus or COVID-19. Right, here we go. Now, where a lot of you have been going wrong is you have been drinking this. When you finish with it, what do? That's the problem. Now, I'm from the 70s. I will be immune to this coronavirus. Why? Because this. Family size. Read here. When I'm finished with this, I can take it back to the shop and get my money back. Recycling from the 70s. Banging. Now, look, if you want to be immune from this stuff, I've got crates of this. Look. DM me if you want some. Oh yeah, check out my YouTube channel too. On the go. Nice one. Bye. Peace. Okay, it's Friday, March the 6th, and the boat has to be launched. Well, it hasn't got to be launched, but we booked a slot to launch the boat in 9 days' time. I've just written a list of the stuff we got to do before then. Got to get a drill. Got to repair those lockers, put the catches on them. I'd like to change the fuel pipes to the engine. Got to put a primer on, 2 coats of it, and the anti-foul, 2 coats of that. Got to go to the shops, buy some more fuel. Where the boat is right up the end of this river liner. And you've got to navigate it all the way back down into Plymouth, which is, I haven't done it before, I don't know where I'm going. Piloting I know can be tricky, so maybe we got to take the tender down it first, see where we go, see where the route is. Got to fit that in if we can. What else? Oh yeah, I've got the tender, I've got to get the little engines running for that and get fuel for those. Got to prep the lines for tying it up when we get to a marina in Plymouth. Got to dig the fenders out, get them ready, get the cushions because I might have to stay on it. Test the radio, although I'm hearing stuff, I've never actually spoken on it. I don't know if anyone else can receive it. Got to book the marina. I've got to get a flag. I'm supposed to have a flag. I haven't got one of them. I've got a Swedish one. That's not right. I've got to sort the logistics out of how I'm going to get to the boat, then get to the marina, and then when I'm at the marina, how am I going to get back to the car? Got that to think about. And I've got to get some food, and I've got to get some booze. So, that's what I've got to do. Tomorrow, we start doing it. Alright, see you then. Adios. Howdy. I'm just going to show you what I'm up to here. Again, another glamorous job. I've got sandpaper, P80, and I'm just rubbing, we scraped off the anti-foul. Now I'm just going over it with this sandpaper and putting the key in it so this paint will adhere. Well, Julian's coming behind. The primer will adhere then to the hole. That's the plan. Yes, I'm doing it. My mask up, stuff's evil. Right, whole boat side to go. See you in a bit. Yes, here we are. So it's Saturday, sun's sort of out, which is lovely. I'll show you what we're doing. Julian has started painting. I've rubbed down half the boat. Put a key in for the primer we're going to put on. I'll show you what we're up to.
Doing, Joe? Some primer on, ready for anti-foul, underwater primer. good if it's not perfect. GRP holds a bit loose. I'm watching the rugby.
He's got the rugby on again.
Yes!
Oh, can I get that?
Leicester, yeah. Good on, Leicester. Know what I mean?
We get done. Piracy, mate. Oi! First, look at that! Yeah! I did want to film some of the pattern of the boat, actually. I like the pattern. Doing his hazmat suit.
That's just for Wuhan.
Wuhan.
It's nothing to do with
Don't call it Wuhan. It's
sorry, Corona. COVID-19 apparently.
Wuhan 400. Just before we cover it over, I just wanted to get some more of this pattern. I think it's great. I like it with a bit of this turquoise in it here. About that. Anyway, we're going to be covered up. Well, it's a bit dark really, you can't see anything, but we've done a coat of primer and one coat of anti-foul. Ah, yeah. Check it out. Got a big reveal to do with the masking tape in a second. So, there we go. I'm absolutely shagged out, done in. Week of work, painting this thing, rubbing it down. Nearly went under, mate. Look at me. Woo! Anyway, hope that's not Wuhan flu. COVID-19. I've got some corona actually at home. Right. Look at that. That's Matthew. Good. Yo, right, that's pretty much it here. Losing the light again. We've rubbed down the hull all the way around, sanded it off, finished the scraping it. We have put all the way around a undercoat of primer, and then we've done one whole coat of anti-foul. So not pretty good going. But I like to say, I'm absolutely pooped. In other words, Skip Novak, gonna have a nice cup of tea. Hi. Yeah, apologies about some of the filming. I'm just doing it on an iPhone. Let's say that I run out of battery quite often, so I can't film stuff. Yeah, apologies. Hi. Thanks for watching. It's 8 days, so I'm supposed to launch the boat. It seems like a lot of work now. Might put it back, we'll have to see. Anyway, thumbs up if you like it. I'll do that. Okay, see you soon. Thanks very much. Bye.